Owen, Caerdydd chwarae nawr, maen nhw'n aros yn y canol. Rhys ac Owen yno, Elliot Evans yno hefyd. Dros ben pawb o'r arthi a'r peniad ar y postyn pella. Match-up o bawb o'r amddiffynwr a'r cyfle ar y postyn pella. Emlyn Lewis. Yn edrych am Sam Jones. Mae ddigon cyflym, mae ddigon cryf hefyd. Gwych gan Jones. Os na gymorth yn y canol o'r beniad campus gan Dave Jones. Hyfryd gan Met. Jones yn dechrau ddi. Cyfle yn y pen draw gan Lewis, Rhys. Cowans ymlaen at Robles. Cowans eto, nôl at Cowans, cyfle! Wel, mae dros y bar, arbediad oedd hi gan Lang. Cowans yng nghanol y cyfan. Ac ar ôl gweld Met yn mynd yn agos, mae Drenewydd wedi gwneud union rhywun peth. Harry Owen nawr wedi mynd draw i'r asgell dde. Fe a Rhys wedi cyfnewid esgyll. A Owen, cyfle i Owen, Harry Owen, cyfle i'r Met Caerdydd! Yn toro'r bar, cyfle i Rhys ar yr ail gynnig. Yr ergyd yn wyllt. A Drenewydd yn falch cael clyrio. Harry Owen, mae'n tyranu hwnna yn erbyn y bar. Oedd yna gyffyrddiad, gwedwch? Chubb. Chubb. Gadael i'r bil. Neud y gwaith. Dal i fynd. Matt Chubb. Ble mae'n glanio? Wel, am gyfle. Ac am gymeriad gan Chris Craven. Oedd hwnna'n gyfle mawr i Met Caerdydd. Maen nhw'n mynd yn ôl yn ddofn er mwyn chwipio i mewn. Soddiad bach clyfar. Mae taro'r bar. Wel, y neb yno. Byw ar y brwysion. Pawb yn meddwl bod hi'n mynd yn syth drwodd at Dave Jones.
You know, it was probably a game of very few chances. I think there were certain times in the games where we were on top, there's certain times in the game when they were on top. And I think, you know, like I said, to come away from home and get a point, really pleased with the players' work rate. And, you know, tough conditions to get down here. We're travelling through snow and ice to get here, and we've got to get back home. But, you know, really pleased with the players' endeavours tonight, especially out of possession, because we haven't been great here out of possession in the last few times we played here. So really pleased with that. Just a little bit disappointed with our final bit in the last third, that we couldn't fashion more openings, probably that our possession and play deserved.
Did you think maybe Cardiff Met had done enough to take all 3 points?
Of course, listen, Chris will have his opinion on that, and I just felt if it was a boxing match we'd probably won by a round or two there. Just maybe the second half we dominated slightly more than Newtown did, but you know, at times we didn't put the ball into the box as we would have liked, but Newtown defended that well, so credit to them. So a draw is probably a fair result.
Always, to be fair, against Cardiff Met, it's a tactical game, less of a sort of physical one. Teams trying to work each other out and getting little overloads here and there. So yeah, every game's tough. We're not expecting any easy games now. So yeah, we've just got to stick together and pick up as many points as we can and see where that ends us up.
And a significant night for you. 500 appearances in this league. What about that?
Yeah, it makes me a very old man. No, to be fair, I didn't know until before the game when it was tweeted out and I got told. So yeah, really proud for myself. Big moment for me. Obviously family and everyone behind me need to thank massively for everything they've done for me, and the club as well. They've stuck by me through thick and thin. Some good performances, some not so good. Yeah, hopefully I've got a couple more years left in the legs, fingers crossed. But yeah, really proud achievement, really happy to reach that milestone and hopefully kick on and play a few more.